Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am just coming on here today to let you know that I'm going to be destashing, and I have quite a few things I'm going to be destashing. I finally got to my stamps and dies and things like that, so that's what a lot of this is going to be. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, please check out my upcoming destash videos. But in this video, I'm going to do this set first. This is a set of Newton's Nook stamps, and there is a die with it. These are such adorable stamps. This one in particular has never been used, and I believe I have the die that goes with this one. I'm pretty sure this is the one that goes with it. Yeah, that's that one. Pretty sure. And that, I don't know. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that one is that one. So it must be for this one. But anyway, it tells you on the back. So there's this cute little stamp, and just in time for the holidays, it says Peace on Earth, Happy Winter, Hello Foxy, and it's got snowflakes. And Newton's Nook is a really good manufacturer of stamps and dies. So this one's brand new. The dies are also brand new. This stamp set here is about coffee, and it says, I need some coffee, write meow. We make the perfect blend. You're the cream of my coffee. A happy birthday brew just for you. Sip, yawn, repeat. Coffee, always a good idea. And then, of course, it's got the adorable little cats. This is what drew me to it, of course. This one's foxes, but Newton's Nook is all about this cat, Newton. Excuse me. So there's that stamp. So those three are brand new. These three are gently used. This one here, I used the little ball of yarn, a little paw print, the little mouse, and the little fish here, and then 1 sentiment. I may have used that, I don't know, but I only used it once. So basically it's brand new, but you know, gently used. This one also gently used. I used this image of the cats here. All the rest are unused. So it's another complete full set. They're all complete full sets. This is also a complete full set, but I don't have the packaging for it, but I may. I'm going to look in another drawer. If I find the packaging, I'll throw it in. If not, it's just going to come like this. This is all little dachshunds, and it's like a holiday themed. It says, have a doxy Christmas. Dachshund through the snow, sweater weather, but they're so adorable. All of these are cute. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamp sets and 1 die set of Newton's Nook, and that's the first batch that's up for sale. And this is going to be $15 plus shipping. If you buy multiple things from me today while I'm destashing, then you'll get combined shipping, so don't worry about that. I won't be invoicing everybody until I'm done putting up all the destash videos, and then I'll invoice you and your shipping will be combined. So it's actually cheaper that way. Shipping to North America is the cheapest. Mainly the US is the cheapest, but I will ship anywhere as long as you don't mind paying the shipping. PayPal only for this as well. My email's in the description box. If you're interested in this set, it's $15 through PayPal plus shipping. But again, I won't invoice you until I'm done the destash videos to see if there's anything else you want. So let me know if you're interested in this first set, and this will be set number 1. And I'll be back with another video in a couple minutes. Bye!